Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic that's on everyone's mind: the top 10 proven methods to unlock wealth with AI. As artificial intelligence continues to revolutionize industries, it opens up a world of opportunities for those looking to boost their income. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a business owner, or simply curious about the potential of AI, this video is designed for you. We'll explore innovative strategies that leverage AI technology, from creating smart applications to offering AI consulting services. Each method we discuss will not only be engaging, but also packed with practical insights to help you get started. So if you're ready to discover how you can tap into the power of AI to enhance your financial prospects, stick around. You won't want to miss these game-changing ideas that could transform your approach to earning money in the digital age. Let's jump right in. Freelancing with AI skills. In today's gig economy, leveraging AI skills can open up a wealth of freelance opportunities. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are bustling with clients seeking experts in artificial intelligence. If you have skills in machine learning, data analysis, or natural language processing, you're in high demand. These areas are not only trending, but also essential for businesses looking to harness the power of AI. To stand out in this competitive landscape, it's crucial to build a strong portfolio showcasing your AI projects. Highlight your best work, whether it's a predictive model you developed or a data visualization that tells a compelling story. This portfolio will serve as your calling card, demonstrating your expertise and attracting potential clients. By combining your AI skills with effective marketing on freelance platforms, you can create a sustainable income stream while working on exciting projects. So get ready to dive into the world of freelancing with AI and unlock your earning potential. Creating AI-powered applications. The potential for developing applications that utilize AI technology is immense and continues to grow. Popular AI application ideas include chatbots that enhance customer service and recommendation systems that personalize user experiences. These applications not only streamline processes but also provide valuable insights into user behavior. However, as you embark on this journey, it's crucial to prioritize user experience in your app development. A seamless and intuitive interface can make all the difference in user satisfaction and retention. If you're not a developer, consider collaborating with skilled programmers who can bring your vision to life. Alternatively, learning coding skills yourself can empower you to create your own AI-powered applications. There are numerous resources available online to help you get started, whether you're interested in Python for machine learning or JavaScript for web applications. By harnessing the power of AI and focusing on user experience, you can create innovative applications that meet the needs of today's tech-savvy consumers. Investing in AI startups. Investing in emerging AI startups can be a lucrative opportunity for those looking to capitalize on the rapid growth of artificial intelligence. Platforms like Seed Invest and AngelList provide accessible avenues for individuals to invest in promising startups at an early stage. However, before diving in, it's essential to conduct thorough research on each startup's viability. Look into their business model, market potential, and the team behind the project to gauge their chances of success. Understanding the technology and its applications can also give you an edge in making informed decisions. Additionally, it's wise to diversify your investment portfolio. By spreading your investments across multiple startups, you can mitigate risks and increase your chances of seeing significant returns. Remember, while investing in AI startups can be exciting, it also comes with inherent risks. Stay informed and strategic in your approach, and you could be well on your way to reaping the financial rewards of this innovative sector. Selling AI-generated content. The market for AI-generated content is rapidly expanding, offering exciting opportunities for creators to monetize their work. Platforms like Artbreeder allow users to create and sell unique artwork generated by AI, while WriteSonic provides tools for producing high-quality written content. As you explore these avenues, it's crucial to understand copyright considerations surrounding AI-generated works. While the technology can produce impressive results, the ownership of the content can sometimes be complex. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the terms of service on each platform to protect your rights. Once you have your content ready, effective marketing is key to reaching potential buyers. Utilize social media, online communities, and content marketplaces to showcase your creations. Building a personal brand and engaging with your audience can significantly enhance your visibility. By leveraging the power of AI and employing smart marketing strategies, you can tap into this growing market and turn your AI-generated content into a profitable venture. Affiliate marketing with AI tools. Using AI tools can significantly enhance your affiliate marketing strategies, making your efforts more effective and data-driven. Tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs analyze market trends and consumer behavior, providing valuable insights that can help you identify the best products to promote. By understanding what your audience is searching for, you can tailor your content to meet their needs and preferences. Additionally, choosing the right affiliate programs is crucial for maximizing your earnings. Look for programs that align with your niche and offer competitive commissions. Once you've set up your affiliate links, it's essential to track your performance using analytics tools like Google Analytics or affiliate dashboards. Monitoring metrics such as click-through rates and conversion rates will help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. By leveraging AI tools, selecting the right programs, and analyzing your performance, you can optimize your affiliate marketing efforts and increase your chances of success in this competitive landscape. Developing AI courses and tutorials. Creating and selling AI-related educational content presents a fantastic opportunity for those looking to share their knowledge while generating income. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to develop and host your courses, allowing you to reach a global audience eager to learn about artificial intelligence. When structuring your courses, it's essential to create a clear and logical flow that guides learners from foundational concepts to more advanced topics. Incorporating interactive elements such as quizzes and hands-on projects can enhance engagement and retention. Once your course is ready, promoting it effectively is key to attracting students. Utilize social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to share insights, snippets, and testimonials that highlight the value of your course. Engaging with relevant online communities and forums can also help you connect with potential learners. By leveraging the right platforms and marketing strategies, you can successfully develop and sell AI courses that empower others while building a profitable venture for yourself. AI consulting services. Offering consulting services to businesses looking to implement AI can be a rewarding venture, especially in industries that stand to benefit significantly, such as healthcare and finance. These sectors are increasingly leveraging AI for data analysis, predictive modeling, and improving operational efficiency. To succeed as an AI consultant, building a strong professional network is crucial. Connect with industry professionals, attend conferences, and engage in online forums to establish relationships that can lead to potential clients. Additionally, staying updated on the latest AI trends and technologies is essential. The field of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving, and being knowledgeable about new tools and methodologies will enhance your credibility and effectiveness as a consultant. Consider subscribing to industry publications, participating in webinars, and taking advanced courses to keep your skills sharp. By combining your expertise with a robust network and current knowledge, you can position yourself as a valuable resource for businesses eager to harness the power of AI. Creating AI-driven marketing campaigns. Businesses can significantly optimize their marketing efforts by leveraging AI technologies to create data-driven campaigns. AI tools like Google Analytics and HubSpot provide powerful data analysis capabilities, allowing marketers to gain insights into customer behavior and preferences. By utilizing these tools for customer segmentation, businesses can identify distinct audience groups and tailor their messaging accordingly. The importance of personalized marketing strategies cannot be overstated. Consumers are more likely to engage with content that resonates with their specific needs and interests. AI enables marketers to deliver personalized experiences at scale, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Additionally, measuring campaign effectiveness is crucial for continuous improvement. AI analytics tools can track key performance indicators, providing real-time feedback on what's working and what isn't. By analyzing this data, businesses can make informed adjustments to their campaigns, ensuring they maximize their return on investment. Embracing AI-driven marketing strategies not only enhances efficiency but also fosters deeper connections with customers, ultimately driving growth and success. In this video, we explored the top 10 ways to make money with AI, highlighting exciting opportunities such as freelancing with AI skills, developing AI-powered applications, investing in AI startups, selling AI-generated content, and offering AI consulting services. Each of these avenues presents unique potential for financial growth in today's tech-driven landscape. We also emphasize the importance of staying informed about the latest advancements in AI, as this knowledge can help you adapt and thrive in an ever-evolving market. If you found this content valuable, we encourage you to engage with us by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more informative content that empowers you to harness the power of AI. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video, where we'll dive deeper into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence.